Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. So my name is Muhammad Taftah bin Miswata. My message number is CF200115 and now I will present about the introduction of this project. Okay, now I will present to you about the Kolesky method. Kolesky method is factorization is a decomposition of a Hermitian positively finite matrix into the product of a lower triangular matrix and its conjugate transpose. Number two is the decomposition is named after the André Louis Kolesky, a French artillery officer who invented the method in the context of his work in the geodesic section of the Army Geographic Service. Okay, now I will present to you about the background study, which is the construction engineering is a profession discipline that deals with the designing, planning, construction, and management of infrastructure such as roads, tunnel, bridge, airports, railroads, facilities, buildings, dams, and others project. So, for this project, we will choose the bore pile. So, I will present to you about the what is the bore pile. So, commonly, bore piles are used primarily in the cohesive subsoil for the formation of friction piles and when forming pile foundation close to existing building. So number two is bore pile are piles where the removal of spoil from a hole for a reinforced concrete pile which is poured in situ. And the last one is the bore pile, also known as replacement piles, are a commonly used form a building a foundation that provides support for structures transferring their load to layer of soil. Okay, for the last one is the objective. So the objective of this project is to find the optimum depth of the borehole drilling process, which is we choose the borehole for the calculation. So number two is to determine the area for awareness to define the safety factor of the project, which is we choose bore pile and calculate for the area of for awareness for this safety factor. And the last one is to apply the Kolesky method in calculation, which is we will use Kolesky method as the calculation for this project. So that's all for me. Thank you for listening and assalamualaikum and have a good day. And now I will give my present to other presenter. Alright, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Hamim Daniel bin Hartika and my registration card is CF200105. Today I will present about my part, which is the literature review. First of all, we have choose a system of linear equations. Then we use Cholesky method and the subtopic LU factorization method. Number 3, we use the numerical methods are generally used for solving mathematical problems that are formulated in science or engineering. Then, the Cholesky decomposition is used in the special case when A is square and conjugate to the symmetric matrix. This makes the problem a lot of simpler and easier to understand. Then, a conjugate is then the complex value with the sign of the imaginary component reserved. For example, the conjugate of 5 plus j12 equal to 5 minus j12. And by definition, the diagonal elements must be real, which is not complex. The Cholesky decomposition floating point method operations per n times n matrix is generally estimated as flops, which is equal to 4n 3 over 3. So that's all from me, and continue to the next part. Thank you.
Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Hakim bin Ahmad Kamal. Material number is CF200-188. I would like to explain about methodology for this project. Okay. This chapter is to show how an engineer can compute the borehole depth. Second, construction and drilling technique were investigated with the goal of determining the sustainability of various methods. The stability of the drill hole is the most important aspect in deciding the drilling. The depth of the borehole is determined by the soil depth, which is influenced by the foundation bearing pressure. 1 to 3 times the breadth of the loaded area is the recommended drilling depth. It is believed that pressure below this depth will cause structure damage. Next, the deep drill hole is not necessary if a shallow strip thread with sufficient distance is considered, shown in picture. The solution of an ordinary differential equation fall into one category. It is initial value problem and boundary value problem. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Asfar bin Azri. My metric number is CF200127. So my part in this video is calculation. For this project calculation, the problem statement that we get is a borehole is drilled narrow hole in the ground, whether in a vertical or horizontal shape, which is constructed for many different purposes. The problem statement for this case is to determine the depth of the borehole drilling process after 6x plus 15y plus 55z equal to 76 hours if the initial drilling depth of borehole on the ground is 15x plus 55y plus 225z equal to 295, and the feet per revolution of 55x plus 235y plus 979z equal to 1259. Find the optimum depth of the borehole drilling process. So the total equation are 3. First equation is 6x plus 15y plus 55z equal to 70. And the second equation is 15x plus 55y plus 225z equal to 295. And the third equation is 55x plus 225y plus 979z equal to 1259. That is the equation 3. Next, we convert it into the metric form. So here is the formula to count the next value, and then after we use the formula, we should factorize it into to get the new values. Now AX equal to B and A equal to LLT. LLTS equal to B, let LTS equal to Y, then Ly equal to B, and put it in the metric form. Now use forward substitution method. From Y, 2.4495 Y1 equal to 76, so Y1 equal to 31.0296. From equation 2, 6.1237y1 minus 4.1833y2 equal to 295. So the y2 equal to 25.0998. Lastly, from the equation 3, 22.4537y1 minus 20.9165y2 minus 6.1101y3 equal to 1259. So y3 equal to 6.1101. LTS equal to y, then we put it in the metric form. Then use back the substitution method. From equation 3, 6.1101z equal to 6.1101. So the final answer for z is 1. Next, from the equation 2, 4.1833y plus 20.9165z equal to 25.00998. So the last answer for y equal to 1. From the last equation, that is equation 1, 2.4495x minus 6.1237y minus 22.4537z equal to 31.0296. So the last answer for x equal to 1.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Alif bin Tamliha. My matrix number is CF200117. I'm going to explain about discussion and conclusion. Discussion. A building site is constructing cast in situ micropiles. On the building site, a rotating borehole is being used to begin the micropile construction. While the drilling depth of the borehole on the ground will increase as the borehole enters the ground, the drilling depth of the borehole on the ground will decrease. The differential equation that regulates the depth of the ground borehole drilling as a function of time is 6x plus 15y plus 55z equal to 76. For the first equation, 15x plus 55y plus 225z equal to 295. The second equation, and 55x plus 225y plus 979z equal to 1259 for the equation 3. And we can see the matrix form for A, X and B. Conclusion. As a conclusion, numerical method have an important part in scientific and civil engineering domains such as structural, hydraulic, environmental and geotechnical engineering. To estimate the drilling depth of borehole, the drilling depth of the borehole can be estimated by using Cholesky method. From the equation, it is reached and satisfied the ordinary differential equations ODEs of the value of depth H, which is after 6x plus 15y plus 55z 70 equal to 76 hour, which is for the first equation of initial drilling depth of borehole on the ground of 15x plus 55y plus 225z equal to 295 for the equation 2, and the feet per revolution, which is 55x plus 225y plus 979 Z equal to 1259, get the optimum depth of borehole drilling process can be obtained as 1 meter. That's all from me. Thank you.